New Jersey, Sussex, Warren, Morris, Huntington, Somerset, Middlesex, Western Monmouth, and Eastern Monmouth. Elevated risk for the spread of wildfires today. Elevated fire weather conditions are expected today across portions of New Jersey, Delaware, and northeastern Maryland. Relative humidity values are forecast to drop to around 30 to 40% this afternoon, lowest in southern New Jersey and portions of the northern Delmarva Peninsula. Northwest winds will increase to around 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts to around 25 to 30 miles per hour. Antecedent fuel conditions remain dry due to a lack of rainfall over the past 7 weeks. Residents and visitors are urged to exercise caution if handling any potential fire ignition sources, such as open flames, cigarettes, matches, and equipment that creates sparks. Dispose of smoking materials and other flammable items in appropriate containers. Keep vehicles off of dry grass and obey local burn bans. Dry grasses, dead leaves, and other tree litter could easily ignite and spread fire quickly. Outdoor burning is strongly discouraged. For more information about wildfire danger, burn restrictions, and wildfire prevention and education, please visit your state's forestry or environmental protection website. Here is the forecast for the New York City metropolitan area.
Well, we got a special weather statement. And you take a look. Wow, that's so rare.